physical appearance in Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm going to start with general impression. He fine. She fine. You dey cute. I dey try to take care of myself. He dey take good care of himself. She dey take good care of herself. He dey good shape. She dey good shape. She's set. He look young pass him age. She look young pass her age. Now let's look at physical appearance concerning the hair. He get short hair. She dey wear wig all the time. Her hair na shoulder length. He dey bald. Na gorimapa. He dey shave him hair completely. He get dreads. She be blonde, brunette, red-haired. She get coily hair. She get long, straight black hair. She get long, straight blonde hair. She get long, straight red hair. She get short, wavy hair. She get short, curly hair. She get afro. Him hair dey rough. Now, physical appearance talking about one's weight. I don dey fat. She don dey add weight. E dey overweight small. She dey slim. She be orobo. E dey heavy. E be bonga fish. E dey very thin. She don lose weight. You dey skinny. Now let's look at the body highlights. He dey flat chested. She get big boobs. She get big nyash. She get complete back and front. He get broad shoulder. He get 6 packs. She get fake nyash. Her boobs na fake. She get fry pan nyash. He get big belle. She straight like pencil. He fat like mumu. He get well-defined muzzle. Talking about height. He dey very tall. He dey very short. I be 1.8 meter tall. She be 5 feet 2 inches tall. That is it. Talking about physical appearance. I'll see you in my next lesson. Bye for now.